Hi, I'm Allison, and I have Lyme, three kinds of Lyme: Borrelia, Bartonella, and Babesia, or at least I did have. Um, so my AK prescribed Microbojen and Neuro-Antitox 2 musculoskeletal. Um, Musculo. And I have to say, it was remarkable, the difference. My brain came back. I remembered suddenly what it was like to think again. It was really fun. Um, and lately I've been doing one of the three, I can't remember which, Bartonella, Babesia, or Borrelia, didn't quite go away last time we were able to meet in person. She did muscle testing, and one of them was still around. So I moved on to the Lyme package. So I got Borreliagen, Lymogen, and the Neuro-Antitox Basic. And they're good. I'm really enjoying the Molybdenum, which kind of does the same thing as the antitox. I believe it flushes the waste products out. And, I have to say, I was really shocked. I never herxed. We started with 1 drop, moved to 2 drops, 3 drops, like that every 8 hours. It was started out incredibly slow, but it was incredibly useful. And I've herxed before. It's incredibly painful. This no herxing. I was so shocked and so thankful.